What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the top places to get aftermarket parts for your Mustang. Let's get into it. Quickly before this video starts, guys, I've looked at the algorithms and it turns out that 95% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. Brand new channel, so if you guys would like to help me out, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Alright, let's get into it. So number one is American Muscle, and if you guys see me looking off to the side, it's because I have my computer up. So American Muscle is an awesome company, guys. They make awesome parts for your cars. Let me open this up. So you can select what car you have. They go as far back as 1979 to 2020. So if you guys have that brand new 2020 Mustang and you want parts for it, they've got it. If you guys have an S197, they've got you. If you got a new Edge Mustang, they've got you. If you got an SN95 Mustang, so not the new Edge Mustang, they've got you. If you got a Fox body, they've got you. Guys, this is an awesome place. So you can go in, you select which vehicle you guys have, and then you get to see what parts are available for your Mustang, and it will show the color of your Mustang. So it will kind of give you an idea of what it would look like on your car before you actually purchase this product and put it onto your car. And a lot of these companies also do this. So if you guys want to do, for me, I have a 2002 Ford Mustang GT, which you guys know. And if you guys haven't seen my video about what I've done to my car, I'll leave a card up there. But guys, you can get the Mach 1 chin spoiler, you can get the grill deletes, you can get lowering springs, superchargers. They make a they have ProCharger kits. Guys, they even sell crate engines for a 5.0 Mustang engine swap and transmission swap into your new Edge. So guys, if you're looking for quality parts, good service, American Muscle is an all-around great place to start your Mustang modification journey, whether that's going to be brakes, exhaust, whatever it could be. American Muscle will definitely hook you guys up. CJ Pony Parts. Now, CJ Pony Parts I'm not as familiar with, but they also do make parts for Mustangs. They offer a lot of the same products that you can find, engine modifications, exterior, interior, like transmissions, shifters, shift knobs, and they also have really good products, wheels, tires. So you guys can also find those also at CJ Pony Parts. And what I'm trying to do is try to differentiate between these businesses and show you guys what the diversity of having a Mustang is and help you guys out, because there's a lot of different companies that you guys can go to and you can compare prices of different products. Let's say you want a short throw shifter and you're checking out American Muscle and you think it's a little too much. Guys, check out CJ Pony Parts, check out LMR, check out all these companies that I'm going to be listing, and cross-reference. I'm just trying to give you guys a wealth of knowledge to help you on your modification journey. So yeah, CJ Pony Parts, great place. Like I've said when I was talking about American Muscle, they have parts going really far back to your older 1978 Mustang, all the way up to your brand spanking new 2020 Mustangs and Shelbys and whatever you would like. Guys, CJ Pony Parts is another awesome company. Go check it out. Alright, another company, LMR, guys. LMR is an awesome company, and I actually heard about LMR through their sponsorship with another YouTuber, Derek Barron, who had a 1999 Mustang GT in bright Atlantic blue. Awesome Mustang, awesome YouTube channel. He just recently got a new Mustang, Lucifer, and he's starting to modify that. Guys, LMR hooked him up and sent him a lot of parts for his projects, whether that was his supercharger for his, I think it might have been a ProCharger for his new Edge Mustang or whatever else. LMR definitely has a lot of awesome products. T-shirts, guys. Guys, if you have a Mustang, get t-shirts. Guys, if you want new headlights, go check out their headlights. Check out their clutch products. Check out engine covers. Guys, if you want to just spruce up the look of your car, try to like renovate it, guys, LMR is the place to go. It's awesome. They make quality parts and they have good service. And let's get into the next company. So we're kind of out of the top three, the big three companies for your overall and all around Mustang parts. But guys, now I want to niche down a little bit and show you guys more interesting and more selective parts for your Mustang. So let's check out Magic Drift. So Magic Drift makes a really awesome front lip for the New Edge Mustang that is not at all the Mach 1 Mustang. Let's see if I can pull it up here. Yeah, so they make different lips for not only the New Edge Mustang, they do it for a plethora of Mustangs, but they have different parts that you can put on. So front lips, especially for the New Edge Mustang, they have a Mach 1 style front bumper lip, and they also have like a bigger, like a wider lip for the New Edge Mustangs. It looks really clean, really nice. And then also, I just saw on their Instagram, they're making a rear diffuser for the Mustang. So that's also awesome. So if you guys want to check it out, they're around the $65 mark. So not as expensive as like the OEM kind of like rubber. Kind of looks like a door trim, honestly, front lip. Not that I hate it. It looks really clean on the New Edge Mustang. But Magic Drift also makes an awesome aftermarket front lip. And guys, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys an awesome company if you guys want to ball out on your Mustang, Mr. Body Kit. So I'm specifically, guys, I know this video is just about Mustangs in general, but guys, I have a 99 to 04 New Edge Mustang, so that's what I'm talking about primarily, is New Edge Mustang, because that's what I personally own. But Mr. Body Kit makes awesome products for the New Edge Mustang, the 99 to 04 Mustang. And what I really want to talk about specifically is their hoods. So if you guys have ever been interested in getting yourself a carbon fiber hood for your New Edge Mustang, definitely check out Mr. Body Kit. They are the place to go to. Now, their hoods are expensive because they are real carbon fiber. They're very light, very good carbon fiber weaved hoods. But when you're paying $600 to $800, I think, is around the price range. And I know a lot of you guys, that might not be what you're looking for, but if you guys are like into drag racing, this could be a really good viable option for you guys if you want that really light hood. Because if you guys have a New Edge Mustang, you will know that the hood is quite heavy. So getting a carbon fiber hood could be a really good option for you guys. So guys, this is a really cool company, make really cool carbon fiber hoods, and that's what I thought was the coolest products that they have on this page, so that's what I'm going to talk about the most. But yeah, these carbon fiber hoods are awesome, and let's get into the next company. Okay guys, I have definitely saved the best for last, and the last company is Carter's Customs. Guys, you guys need to definitely check out Carter's Customs, and I will try to leave a link down in the description below to where you can check out this company, because guys, I was on Instagram, and that's how I originally found out about this company. And before making this video, I actually contacted and was able to reach out, talk with about their company. Guys, this guy makes these parts himself in the US of A. So if you guys want to represent America and small businesses in America, guys, definitely check out Carter's Customs. Now, I will say that these products are on the more expensive end. Not all of them are extremely expensive, but I will say for the majority, they are on the more pricey side of the spectrum. But guys, you definitely get what you pay for with Carter's Customs. I'm talking about rear diffusers, front lips, hood vents, functional hood vents, guys. These products will help the performance of your Mustang. So if you guys own a New Edge Mustang and you want to get real performance out of your car, definitely check out Carter's Customs. And if you guys just want to have a Mustang on the street that doesn't look like anything else out there, also check out Carter's Customs, because you guys, maybe you're not looking to track your car, maybe you're not doing time attack or whatever, but you want to have a Mustang that stands out in a crowd of S197s or New Edge Mustangs or whatever it may be, and you want to just stick out, guys, go to Carter's Customs. So I'm going to show some videos, and the thing that I liked the most, and the thing that I want, probably the thing that I want most out of this entire, what I've seen on his entire website, would be the adjustable New Edge race spoiler. I might have said that wrong, but it's a race spoiler that is adjustable. I'll try to throw up some pictures or a video on screen of me showing you guys what it looks like, but it looks so clean, so mad, so rad, guys. It just, I don't know, it just looks so cool to me, and I thought that you guys should definitely check out this channel. And guys, that's it. Those are the top places to get aftermarket parts for your New Edge Mustang. Whether it's just trying to maintain it, change the entire look, throw bags on it and drop it dirt nasty low, whatever you want, check out these companies. And guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.